This week on The Street Hits the Street, well, it's raining, so we're inside at a construction site. And here's the thing, Brian, we're starting to get some good data points on housing that we're starting to see a recovery. Well, some of these stocks have already made a move, but we're seeing furniture sales go up. So it made me think about tools. Do you think there's any promise in tool stocks?
This is totally a stealth location. I'm kind of liking it, but it's hard to find cheap housing plays. So you actually want to start thinking outside the box and look for derivatives, tool makers. A couple things you want to break down here. Stanley Black & Decker. I always think about this stock as an old girlfriend. You always go to it because it's working. It ain't working right now because they told you that their margins are trending more negatively. They're investing a lot to drive more sales. Their European sales are going down the drain. You don't want to go there right now. Snap-on, one of the best brands that nobody knows anything about. Great management team. They pulled out a lot of costs, and their sales are doing very well in Asia and Europe. One of my top picks for 2012, but I think comparisons are tough. Earnings are going to slow a little bit. Get out of the stock, wait for a better entry price.
Okay, so you don't like Snap-on, you don't like Stanley Works. What do you like?
Mad love to the Maytag repairman. I feel Whirlpool, and I like the fact that obviously housing is coming back, and that's very important too, but Asia is coming back a little bit. Asia home sales, specifically China, have shown some signs of life. So you have the US doing well, Asia doing a little bit better, and then what this all creates is a whole bunch of euphoria within Whirlpool's business. They can drive more volume to their manufacturing facilities. They've moved out a lot of manufacturing out of the US to lower cost areas. That's good for their margins.
Every stock you seem to have this special secret sauce. What's your secret sauce on Whirlpool?
Well, the secret sauce on Whirlpool is that they're sitting on these $215 million in tax credits from Brazil. They haven't monetized these things over the past couple quarters because Brazil did an appliance tax holiday. They're going to monetize them going forward. You could see some big earnings beats in 2013, and if sales are where they are, which I think they will be, big, strong earnings gains and maybe a dividend hike.
All right, folks, so if you're looking for a stock to play on this housing recovery, you might want to look past these American bronze stocks of Snap-on Tools and Stanley Works. Look at Whirlpool instead and give the Maytag man something to do.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
Would
to
enter in a new stage attack.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things
Apple
on Wall Street.
reported earnings.